So the way our classes are structured is it's lecture, demonstration, and small group exercises, and you're in triads. And so you get to practice the skills that we're teaching on each other, which also means you get them practiced on you. So in that, people are bringing their real lives into the exercises, and there's a lot of change that happens. There's also just a lot of change that happens with being in a group of people as you learn this and learn how to work with and communicate in more effective ways, and how to understand people's worlds. Your world expands every time you understand another person's world, anytime you encounter it. So there's a lot of growth that's available, and it's your choice kind of as to how hard and how how deep you want to work. um, some people really kind of go for it all the way and do huge changes, and some people have some nice, just gentle, subtle shifts along the way that works for them. We're not going to tell you what to reach for. We're going to try and respond to whatever you reached for. So I say this to the students all the time. I don't really care if you get good at NLP. I care that you learn what you came to learn. And you don't have to be good at NLP. And if you want to be, practice and you'll get there. We do know people can learn it. There is, in my experience, as we learn to really appreciate other people's worlds and other people's experience, with that comes an appreciation of our own. And as we learn to see how it is that things get difficult or painful for people, a fair amount of our own pain becomes a little bit more clear to us as to why it's that way, and the need to fight ourselves over it starts to drop out. So that's how I would say it.